Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride in New Delhi, where dapper riders from all walks of life gather for a unique and exciting event. Today, we embark on a journey from Delhi's SDA market to Gurgaon's Throttle Shroddle, celebrating classic bikes, dashing outfits, and a good cause. As we make our way from Delhi's vibrant streets to the open roads of Gurgaon, the excitement builds. The thrill of riding with such distinguished company fuels our enthusiasm. The atmosphere is electrifying as the engines roar to life, blending the sights and sounds of vintage beauty. But amidst this sea of magnificent machines, one bike catches my eye, an exquisite 1944 BSA war bike. There it is, a true gem, ridden by a Sikh gentleman who exudes an air of grace and style. This rare BSA war bike instantly becomes the centerpiece of this grand event. The distinctive sound of the BSA's engine commands respect as we ride alongside it, mesmerized by its timeless charm. Throughout the journey, the BSA war bike continues to turn heads, attracting admiration from all corners. Every passerby pauses to take in its majesty, appreciating its significance in history and the rider's dedication to preserving its legacy.
सटली खुशी हो रहा था उसमें बहुत सटली खुशी है खुशी जैम
And as the day draws to a close, we reflect on the remarkable sight of the 1944 BSA war bike, ridden by a Sikh gentleman. It stands as a symbol of resilience, heritage, and the everlasting spirit of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. The Distinguished Gentleman's Ride in New Delhi has been an incredible experience, bringing together individuals who share a passion for motorcycles, elegance, and making a difference in the world.